In the era of information overload, it's become increasingly essential to curate and organize your knowledge effectively. A personal knowledge base, often referred to as a personal wiki, is a centralized hub where you can store, link, and reference valuable information. Today, we're going to create a knowledge base using the powerful tool, Notion. Notion is a cloud-based note-taking app that offers a flexible and customizable experience, making it the perfect platform to set up a personal wiki. With its drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates, Notion empowers users to create a tailored space for learning, research, and collaboration. Let's dive into setting up your Notion knowledge base. First, download and install the Notion app on your device, or access it directly through your web browser. Once you've logged in, click on the Create New Page button and name your knowledge base, for instance, My Knowledge Base. As you create this page, you'll be given the opportunity to choose a template or start from scratch.